Welcome to Pasion eBike. In this video, we will show you how to connect 548 controller, LCD display, pedal assistance, brake lever, and throttle. This is 3-phase cable. Each color need to match. This is Hall signal cable. This white is electric lock. If you do not want this function, disconnected will be okay. This black connector is for throttle. This is LCD display connector. This is brake lever. This is pedal assistant cable. This is battery connector. Our battery connector is XT90s. Well, all cable is connected well now. All Pasion eBike 548 controller go with the best quality MOSFET now. It is IRFB4110 PBF, the best in market so far. In market, most is OEM MOSFET, made in China type. The performance is not that good. When in summer, put the controller outside of the bag. Use controller mount bracket will be a good choice. Since hot weather will make controller overheat. If high temperature, sometimes it burns. It also consider the different terrain and other factors. How to show the KT LCD3 function. Now you can see the engine spins and the numbers changes on LCD display when throttle it. If you do not want to use KT LCD3 display or when KT LCD3 display failed to work, you can use this connector to short the LCD display so whole system can work without KT LCD3 display. Now let's test the eBike. It works very well without LCD display. How to show the throttle electric lock. It works well when throttle it. Disconnect the electric lock connector and plug the pink connector, so throttle function is short now. Then plug the trigger, also called thumb throttle, to the black connector. Now I put the trigger and the motor will spin well without electric lock. How to set speed limit. Within 5 seconds of turning LCD on, press and hold both up and down buttons for a few seconds until the center speed indicator starts to flash. Now it shows max speed 72 km per hour without load. Now let's set speed limit to 25 km per hour. Keep buttoning the middle button, then exit. You can set the PAS level from 1 to 5. Level 5 is max level. Now start the engine. It shows 25 km per hour. How to close cruise control function. It is cruise control mode now. You can see a C on the screen. Remove this connector, then cruise control function closes. Then throttle it. Now, no C on the screen now. How to check the deflection of motor well. Please allow tolerance. Kindly open box at the presence of courier. Seller will not take any responsibility for contents of packages that is not open at the presence of courier. Buying is automatically acceptance of that condition. Kindly sign it with consignment delivered damaged. Courier will take full responsibility of damaged goods. In this video, we will show you how to check the deflection if package is damaged due to transportation. This is the way to check it deflect or not. This is the way to check if it is oval. The right way to mount motor cable. Use a tie tape to tie the motor cable so it looks very clean. How to check if brake lever is broken. When you use brake, it has brake icon on LCD display screen. If do not have it, then means brake lever is broken. What if brake mode is on status? Now you see the LCD display screen is on, but throttle failed to work, and the screen has throttle icon on the bottom. It is twist status. And you can see it has brake icon on screen, and it means brake it is on working status, so motor no spin. Now let's check brake lever and close it. Now you can see the brake icon disappear from the screen. Now test again. The motor works well now. How to mount disc brake 160 mm. In this video, I will show you how to mount disc brake with non-slip lock. Now we have all the disc brake parts prepared. Now let's remove the screws on motor first. Remove the motor plastic cover. Insert the disc brake. You will see the screws and non-slip lock. With this lock, you can lock the disc brake. It will be very safe when downhill. Tighten the screw. Put another non-slip lock. Total is 3 pieces. Fasten it well. How to mount washer spacer for motor well. Here it is necessary to put the wheel with motor. And watch out, because if you put it backwards, the scooter goes backwards. I say this because it happened to me. Holy shit, it goes backwards. So before you put the wheel on and squeeze it, make sure it goes the right way. I haven't seen any indicator that days, forward or on this side, or things like that, like on car tires. But well, maybe there's one and I haven't seen it. Another important thing, which seems stupid, is the placement of the washers. There is a flat one that goes inside, and another with flange that goes outside, with the slot where the hole is, so that the wheel moves when it turns. Then tighten the nut. I would tighten it a little, then climb on top so it stays well put, and then finish tightening it. It also includes some plastic pieces, which apart from decoration serve to avoid scratching the bike if you leave it on the ground. It is best to check that everything works. In this case, it worked and it reaches up to 72 km per hour. With a 48-volt battery, it would reach 60, like the How to choose battery tips. And on top of that, adding the battery and all the things, I was adding more cables. That I said, where am I going to put this? Well, you'll see. To put the battery anchored without much movement, what you can do are 2 drills as if it were a bottle rack. I didn't want to drill the chassis, so I put some bridles. You'll say, wow, some bridles, that's shit. Well, yes. Now comes the most important part of the installation, where you have to invest the money, the battery. The better it is, the more it'll run and the longer it'll last, in kilometers and in years. This one comes with its case. It's removable, brings a USB to charge the mobile. A battery meter is very good. The most important thing is the cells inside. Make sure they are first brands. If they sound familiar, they are surely good ones. And then that each cell has the largest capacity possible, Panasonic, but I've practically only used it by field, by land, and I haven't had any problem. And it runs, we are going at 60 km per hour or there. It's nice, isn't it? Thanks again for choosing Pasion eBike. You made the right choice. If you're a distributor, drop shipping, wholesale, mechanical, famous YouTuber, kindly contact us. Pasion eBike is searching global partner now. Welcome on board.